everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to show you how to make a quick, easy keychain. These are some of the materials you may need. I'm using a polyester rainbow type string in my keychain, but you can use any type of string you want. I'm using my heat tool to burn the ends to make it easier to go through the bead. After you place your charm on your string, you want to double knot the string so your charm will be secure. I decided to use the turtle. Isn't it cute? The string was not going through the bead. I had to cut the string at an angle and retry again. Here I'm showing you the knot I made. If you can tie your shoe, you can do this. Basically, you want to pull the knot closest to the bead as you can get it. Here I'm using my scissors to cut off the excess string. Here I'm using my heating tool to melt the string into itself. This helps the string to stay in place and it's secure. To secure your string of beads to your lobster clasp keychain, you need to make a loop with the string and slide it through the lobster clasp. And after you slide it through the lobster clasp loop, you want to go ahead and pull it tight so it could be secure. As you can see, I had a little bit of trouble trying to get the string and the bead to go through the loop. I actually had to end up going back and doing it a second time in order for it to work. It was a struggle, but we got it. Now you can leave your keychain like it is, but I wanted mine tight up to the top of the lobster clasp, so I loosened the string and pulled it tight until it got to the top. I wanted my keychain kind of simple, so I decided to cut off this string. You could actually put some more beads on that string and make it like a two-parted keychain, but I wanted mine pretty simple, so I decided to cut the string off and use my heating tool to melt that string again. And like I said, by melting it with the heating tool, it secures it in place. Okay, the last thing I'm doing is adding the tassel onto the keychain. It took me a little time because I had to go get my tools in order to secure the jump ring, but that's pretty much the last thing you really have to do to make this keychain. Well, I made 4 of them and I think they're all beautiful. Tell me which one you like the best. I think I'm favoring more of the red and the pink. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see next.